When the moon's on its back and holding water, old men drink tea from saucers. Gold finches make their way to Islandeady. A young man ties his boots, he thinks maybe. When the wild geese cut through clouds on Paddies Day, and worms eat their way through graveyard clay, a mother wipes the face of a little baby, a father turns the key, he thinks maybe. Maybe this is it, maybe this is all. Earth did for the moment in the seagulls call. When the fuschia and wild roses sway in the breeze, and the weather vane moves slightly to the east, and the cat's paw falls onto middle sea, a farmer sinks a spade, he thinks maybe. When the falling leaf lands at your feet, and the swallows swoop beneath the eaves, shake hand with the sign of peace, a barman sweeps the floor, he thinks maybe. Maybe this is it, maybe this is all. Earth did for the moment in the seagulls call. When the sheepdogs out of work and chasing cats, and the crow lands on the scarecrow's arms, and the actor says, to be or not to be, someone pulls a curtain, thinks maybe. Maybe this is it, maybe this is all. Earth did for the moment in the seagulls call.